Hey guys, welcome back to United Traders. Today we've got our hands on something super solid, the Dell Latitude E7270. It's a compact business laptop, fully refurbished and in A-class condition. Let's check out if this 12.5-inch beast still holds up in 2024. First things first, the build quality. Honestly, it's impressive. This thing is light, slim, and solid, made with magnesium alloy and built to survive tough conditions. It's not flashy, but it feels like it means business. Portable and premium, perfect for work or travel. Under the hood, we're rocking a 6th Gen Intel Core, i5 or i7, depending on your config. Up to 16 GB RAM and fast SSD storage. Boot time, just a few seconds. Multitasking, smooth. You also get plenty of ports. USB 3.0, HDMI, DisplayPort, Ethernet, even a SIM slot if needed. No dongle drama here. Battery life, around 6 to 8 hours depending on what you're doing. Keyboard's comfy, touchpad is smooth, and the whole machine just feels dependable. And since it's a class refurbished, you're saving big without compromising quality. Now the screen is 12.5 inches, full HD, sharp, and bright enough for daily use. But here's the cool part. This baby supports 4K external displays, so if you're editing or watching high-res content, just plug it in and enjoy that crisp output. In real-world use, it handles all your basics: browsing, docs, Zoom calls, even some light editing without breaking a sweat. Thanks to the SSD and DDR4 RAM, it feels snappy. Great option for students, freelancers, or anyone who wants a budget-friendly workhorse. So, if you're in the market for a solid, affordable business laptop, the Dell Latitude E7270 is still a top pick in 2024. Check it out at unitedtraders.dk or DM. Use on WhatsApp at 923-342-434-994. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. We've got more tech reviews coming your way.